Dear students, in this video we discussed about your sleeve or muff coupling. We are already discussed about your types of coupling. Normally the couplings are classified into two types. So number one is nothing but your rigid coupling. Number two is flexible coupling. In rigid coupling, further classified as sleeve or muff coupling. Now we are discussing about your sleeve or muff coupling. The sleeve and muff coupling is the simplest type of rigid coupling. It is made up of cast iron and very simple to design and manufacture. It consists of three parts. So number one sleeve, number two shaft, number three keys. The muff is treated as a hollow cylinder whose inner diameter is the same as diameter of the shaft as shown in the diagram. The hollow cylinder is fitted over the ends of the two shafts with the help of taper sunk key. A key and a sleeve useful to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft. There is no projecting points. The main disadvantages of this coupling is that it is difficult to assemble when there is no perfect alignment between the shafts. Okay, thank you.